Hello and welcome back. We've had this extensive session today, and now we have with us Swati Joshi from Mobile Moneyballism Private
Financial Solutions Private Limited.
She is here to have her expert series with us. Ma'am, we've always had a pleasure to have the IFAs coming in and explaining that what is it that a naive investor should be looking in front for their investment solutions and everything.
Right.
Everybody's always followed a very traditional pattern of investing and saving money. I think we need to come out of those crunches and get out and learn what are the new investment avenues that we have with us. So would you like to share your experience in the same?
Yes, I would like to share. I'm into this for last 14 years, and surely now the investors are becoming mature. They are trying to come into some new avenues of investments, because FDs or the postals or PPF, they are not giving enough returns now. So they have to find out some new avenues, and I think mutual fund is the best avenue for them, because mutual fund is a vehicle through which they can invest in different assets. I mean, like gold, equity, debt at one place. So I personally think that mutual funds have a great future, and I think the small investor should come into this now, leaving behind his old traditional investments.
So ma'am, today if there is somebody who wants to directly go and invest in the equity markets, would you suggest them to go to the equity markets or go to the equity mutual fund?
I would suggest that if the person is new to equity market, he should surely go through mutual funds, because I can list out few points. Like first thing is mutual fund will give him good diversification of his portfolio. If he is going directly through equity, first of all he will have to do research for himself. He has to see he has to find out some solid businesses, solid business doing companies. Then he has to do research on the balance sheets, etc. But in mutual funds, what we can do is, if he invests in it, he can take help of the expert who is the fund manager, and the fund manager will take him through this journey of equity very easily. And again, in mutual funds, his risk will be diversified, because many times volatility and risk, the investor makes a big confusion in this. Yeah, they don't go hand. So risk, to take care of his risk, he can look at mutual funds. Again, mutual funds, we have he can start investing through a small amount of 500 rupees if he wants. But if he has to go directly in equities, then he needs some large chunks. And again, he is putting all his hard-earned money in one or two companies. So instead, he can think about diversified equity funds
like
instead.
My hand-holding is done by an expert
Exactly.
rather than doing it on my own basis. Somebody who's already tried and tested everything.
Yes, exactly.
So ma'am, this takes care of the equity part. When I talk about debt funds, from an IFA perspective, when an investor comes to you, we usually have those safety issues with the money. I don't want anybody to mess around with my money.
Right.
So when I talk about liquid funds and debt funds, are they like safe instruments to get into?
See, first of all, you should understand that they are relatively safe. I mean, there is going to be a bit of fluctuation in debt funds and liquid funds, but for 6 months or 1 or 2 years, I think investors should surely go in for debt funds.
Sure.
Whenever an investor comes to us, first we try to talk to him and understand his requirements.
Okay.
Now, if he says, okay, I'm going to need money within next 6 months, 1 year, then we surely suggest him debt funds. Now, if you were asking that if he wants to invest for 6 months, so I think liquid funds can be good.
Perfect.
Short bonds funds can be good for him. And if he wants to stay there for 2-3 years, accrual funds can be a better option. And losing money, I mean, surely he will not lose money in debt funds.
Yes.
But yes, they are volatile. I mean, there can be some fluctuations, and he should be ready for it. And IFAs, it is the job of IFAs to make him understand that in what he is investing.
So ma'am, drawing from this point, my next question, you made my next question more easier. There are a lot of people who have money and they don't know what they want to do with it. There are people who don't have money and they want a lot of money. And there are people who have both the things but they don't have any guidance. Right. So as an IFA, financial planning, financial goal, how how easy is it for convincing an investor from traditional to better investment avenues, and trying to explain them that what can they do with their ideal money? Is it very easy for you?
No, it's not a easy job at all, because basically when money comes in as a topic of discussion, first thing is emotions.
I see.
I mean, we have to actually find out the mental setup of that person with whom we are talking, or the investor, and we have to find out what type of risk he can take. Because
His
as
risk appetite is
yeah,
something that
so
you
we do
analyze, right?
some risk profiling for him, and then after doing risk profiling, we come to know, okay, his mental setup or his whatever vices are according to those, we try and counsel him in such a way that he will come and invest.
Okay.
I mean, it is really difficult for a person who is saving and bringing him to investment. But with this interest rate scenario, with falling interest rates, it has become a bit easier, you can say now, because they are finding out that mutual funds can be a way of investing.
Okay. And I guess a lot of awareness programs have also created that, defeat people that, let's go to mutual funds, and,
Yes.
it's a better, safer venue. For
Yeah,
people
yeah.
to come
Lot
to
of
investment.
awareness programs are made by our mutual funds, so that at least the people who don't know anything about investment, they can start knowing some basics about investment.
So, ma'am, usually when we talk about family investments, it's usually the elders who take the decision.
Right.
So, when I'm talking about my father is still handling my account to do the savings and the investment part. So, how difficult is it? It's across the table. You have to sit and explain everybody. So, is it easy then once you crack one particular investor and make him understand? Does the whole family also follow the pattern, or else you have to go
Yes,
respectively?
actually it is a really difficult job for the first client, surely, because when money comes in picture, trust comes
Is a
with
very
it.
big factor.
So at least, I mean, the first person who is coming to us, maybe from your family, for example, your father, I have to see to it, I develop a good trust with him,
Right.
a good rapport with him. I have to spend a lot of time with him. So he has to understand that what product or what avenues in which he is investing. And once after maybe 1 or 2 years, when he sees his returns, he will surely ask the other family members, his friends or his relatives to start investing, or at least
get
go to an
into the
IFA and
Get
get the things done.
financial,
you know.
jargons clear.
Yeah, because now with experience, I can say this takes at least 3 years for somebody to give a reference.
It's very true, sir.
Because
they
he
see the
has to see his
returns and
picture
see the
first.
trust. Very true.